Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are unable to install this update on your Windows 11 computer, the first step is to restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. If that does not work, type in CMD in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy this command, paste it over here, and then hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time. And once the scan is 100% complete, then you have to restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can type in services in Windows search box and then click on services, find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update in the list. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to again automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now once this is done, now you can check. If that does not work, you can pause and resume updates. Now for this you can go to Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option. Click on pick a date and you can select any date and then pause the update. Once update is paused, click on resume updates, let the update install and then you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Now over here you can write on the name of the update, that is KB5121767 over here, and then click on search. Now type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Now open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download. And then click on the update, that is KB5121767. And let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction. You can install this update manually, and once it is done, restart your PC, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use fix problems using Windows Update option. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take a long time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then you can check. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take a long time. Once done, you can click on finish over here and then let the setup close. This will take a couple of seconds to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.